So we got the Lexus hybrid battery, right? This is the part number S55D23R, right? Okay, so we're gonna be replacing this with a YellowTop Optima battery. This one, the dealer wanted like almost $400. And I'm like, no, I'm okay. The only thing is this battery has the port for the gases to escape. The new one does not have a port, but it's a sealed battery, so sealed AGM battery, so we should be all right. With that being said, let's get to it. Install the new one, get the car fired on up. All right, here we got the YellowTop installed. Unable to get the top cross member on yet. I'm gonna try to figure that out, and I'll post an update on it. But we got the battery in. Let's fire the car up. You see how it fits perfectly. It's the D35 is the specific part number for this battery. All right, now we're in the car. Touch the brake. We got the light, the ready light showing up. So the battery works. Start the car. We have our ready sign. Sorry about that. But yeah, we got the ready sign. There goes the car turning over. So it does start the car up. The car runs. Let's see. Car moves. We got full function of everything. No issues at all. Let's cycle through our menus over here. So as you see, the hybrid battery is partially charged. So yeah, everything works. That's a option if you don't want to go with the dealership battery. And also I feel like this battery is stronger. So, you know, you can't lose with the Optima YellowTop. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Coming out with more videos. I know I took a little absence, but I'm about to get back on it. So yeah, I'll holler at y'all later.